All right, boys. So we're gonna do a live trade, or not a live trade recap, a recap of the live trade we took. So essentially, today we had some good news. We had some unemployment news, non-farm employment change, and PMI at 10. So market was pretty volatile today. Let's go into the charts. So first thing I looked at was ES, and I was looking at this draw on liquidity right here. We could see this ES had a huge downside over the past day or two. And we can see ES is currently filling this imbalance, which obviously it's what time is it? It's like 3 p.m. now, so market's already moved. But anyways, we can see it filling this imbalance as demand zone. I was really looking for this draw on liquidity though, but we scale down to the 1 hour. Okay, so where are we? Market opens like right here. So when I got on the charts, price was around this area, and well, where's the obvious draw on liquidity? This humongous imbalance, right? Obviously, this price is not balanced. So what is market going to do? It's going to come up and rebalance the price. So look what market did. However, I didn't take a trade on ES because I didn't like what I saw. But anyways, so I was expecting price to come up, maybe come into this demand zone a little bit, which it did. But anyways, I scaled down more, 15 minute, and honestly, I was not really seeing anything. I was really not seeing much. So you can see on the 15 minute, we have the small retracement and then the market open candle. I Yeah, to be honest with you guys, I really wasn't seeing much on ES. Again, here's a market open candle, and you can see not really is giving us much. It goes up, comes back down, doesn't really fill any imbalance. Maybe on the 1 minute, um, but not on the 5 minute. Comes back up, and still doesn't really do anything. Comes down, fills this. Oh, I forgot to mention, guys, I was also bullish on the day since I was we had the long leg down. I was expecting price to come up and rebalance that, which it did. But anyways, let's go to the 1 minute. Actually, let me mark that out. Let's see if we could have gotten entry on that. Right around here, right? Okay, so yeah, I mean, I guess we could have entered here, but that's like halfway already to the move. But anyways, yeah, I really wasn't seeing much on ES, so I just stuck to NQ, and also I know that I'm more successful on the NQ trades as we saw through the back testing videos. So, I was more confident on NQ today. So let's go over my NQ trade. So go to the 4 hour. Where are we? All right. So first thing I noticed, NQ's coming out, taking out these lows, right? Taking out these lows right here. Exactly what I want to see. Filling this imbalance right here. And that's exactly what I want to see, right? Exactly what I want to see. NQ's taking out this lows, filling this imbalance. And it's an extreme discount, right? So if we draw equilibrium level, obviously it's an extreme discount and price has to come back up and rebalance this. All right, now we go to the hourly, and what do we see? Same thing, equilibrium level, and where's the market open? Like right here. So when I got on the charts, price was at this candlestick, with the 8 o'clock candlestick, and I thought, wow, this is a very big imbalance for a price not to rebalance it. So my first price target was this blue line. Second price target was the equilibrium of this imbalance. And then my third price target was the start of this supply zone. I don't know why I keep calling it demand zone, but it's the supply zone. But anyways, it's the start of the supply zone. And then the other one was these highs. Now, I don't think NQ would make like a almost 200 point move in a day. It's very rare, but anyways. So I'm bullish on NQ. Scale on to the 15 minute. Now, so what did I see on the 15 minute? Well, I saw price come up, have a retracement into this. This is a demand zone. Have a retracement into this demand zone. So let's scale down to the 5 minute. And this was before market open. We're right here. And at market open, we see this big candle up, another bullish candle, and really not getting much again on the 5 minute until really not even much here either. The only thing, the only thing I could see was honestly this retracement to this demand zone, but it still didn't even move higher. However, I marked out this on the 1 minute because I was looking at the 5 minute, which I should have been on the 1 minute to look for an entry because obviously market was giving us very bullish signs, and it was pretty obvious price was going to come and rebalance this. So I entered a trade late. However, I did make profit, but I'll explain that to you guys in a bit. But anyways, so market open is this candlestick right here. So as we saw price come in to this demand zone, it did not quite take out this low, but anyways. So we see price consolidate for a little while, form a fair value gap right here between these two candles, and price comes up, comes back down into this fair value gap, right? It comes back down into this fair value gap. And I could have taken a trade. Let me show you guys. Honestly, if I was on the 1 minute, I would have executed a trade at this candle close, this break of structure, and I would have put stops. I would have put stops like probably below this, like that fair value gap, and then I would have set price targets like this. Now, obviously, only one of our price targets got hit. The other one later in the day, I don't know if that got hit, but looks like it. But anyways, so this would have been almost. Let's see how much. So this is where we took profits. Oh shit. Oh, I forgot, bro. Somewhere like I don't even know. Something like this. There's like a 1 to 2. And this is a 1 to 4 almost. So obviously if we were on the 1 minute, we would have entered a much better trade, but we weren't on the 1 minute. So what did I enter off of? Well, I saw price come up. I could have also entered here also off this imbalance fill. Could have entered here off this imbalance fill, but I don't know why I didn't. I guess I was just scared that I would lose money, even though it's paper trading. But it's something I have to be better at. I have to be more confident. But anyways, I said, okay, price is gonna fill this imbalance. So we entered a trade. Actually, I think it was something. I think it was something like this. But anyways, no, our stop loss was not here. I don't remember where it was because we moved the thing. But our first price target was Bro, where are we? Okay. Our first price target was well, let me delete this one. Our first price. Oh my God, bro. Our first price target was the equilibrium of this imbalance, which got hit. Second one was this demand zone, right? So we could see the first price target get hit. So once the first price target got hit, we locked in about 500 profit. Obviously, it's a demo account, but anyways, we locked in like 500 profit. And then I want to move my stop, so I moved my stop below these lows. And I thought price was gonna honestly hit the start of the demand zone, but it didn't. Looks like it didn't want to, so it came down, and we got stopped out. So we made it. It was like I'll actually show you guys. No, I don't want to replay. Okay, so we closed 520 profit, and then we moved our stop, and it went back down to 350. So we made whatever that difference is. I don't know, 170 or something like that. But anyways, so we did make a little bit of money, or not real money. Obviously, it's demo, but still. So we would have made profit today. However, if we were on the 1 minute, we could have found a great entry right here, which is where I would have entered. I didn't realize that because I didn't get on the 1 minute until about 10. I don't know why, but anyways. So we would have made a little profit. Not the best trade though. Like I said, we should have been on the 1 minute to look for a good trade. But anyways, that's basically it. So hopefully we'll keep making progress. I'm making progress. So far, I have not lost a lot of trade, lost money at least. Um, but it takes time. But I hope you guys learned something, and if you guys find something valuable out of this video. If you have any more video recommendations, let me know. Leave a comment, DM me, whatever. And I'll do some more backtesting videos next week. Although this election news is really fucking up the market. But anyways, thank you guys for watching.